let's give a quick tour of my front yard food forest. We have tomatoes in containers right here. We have a hazelnut tree. We have beets growing right there. We have a peach tree. We have lettuce growing in this area, Merlot lettuce, some other lettuce, other Merlot lettuce. We have kale growing over there, as you can see. All right, we have tomatoes growing along the edge right here, alongside the rose bushes. So it's tomatoes, rose bushes, doing good. We have an elderberry bush right here. We have some catmint right there. We have peppers. We have a random sunflower. We have peppers growing on over here. We have, look at that, bell peppers, Hungarian wax peppers. We have some beautiful sunflowers. We got some pink roses. Let's keep it going. More peppers, a whole bunch of peppers right here. We have some kale growing on over here. Sunflowers. We actually have onions growing in wood chips. Yes, onions growing in wood chips. We have elderberry. We have pawpaw tree over here. We have a plum tree right here. We have purple carrots. We have strawberries, lots of strawberries. We have Myoka ginger. We have squash growing in wood chips right here. We have a random tomato plant, and we have nectarine trees right here. And we got some blueberries and lots of nectarines coming around on this tree over here.